Okay, hello everyone. Here is a short video on how to make a sound comparison paragraph. A couple of weeks ago, last week, I gave you an instruction on how to make a sound essay answer, right? If you still remember, a sound essay answer includes some of these things here. You need to have a statement of an opinion and then all these elements. Or if you want to summarize it, actually a sound as answer needs to include here an opinion, statement of opinion, and then support for the opinion. Now, when it comes to a sound comparison paragraph, there are still two things there, and they are here. First one is a main idea. You need to have a main idea in a comparison paragraph. The main idea can be written at the very end when you have compared the paragraphs. Okay. And the second element is the supporting idea or the supporting element. That supporting element needs to include first, okay, the similar or different point from item A. In your case, the Space Peaks article. And the second one is the similar or different point from item B. Okay, you need to mention that. And when you give these elements, do not forget to also quote from the original, quote or paraphrase. After you're done with the second supporting point, then you go to your opinion on how they are different. Okay, after you show one, you show two, then you show how they are different. And last one, you put a concluding statement. Now, how does that actually work in a sentence? Let me give you an example now. Here comes the example. So I just wrote a paragraph here, and the paragraph is based on uh, Hall's article and another article by Lebowitz here. But actually, this is just a mock. This is not what Lebowitz actually says. Now, here, first one is in Hall's article. Sorry, in my comparison paragraph, I give. Oops, sorry. I give the main idea. The main idea is about the different opinion between Hall and Lebowitz. Here, Lebowitz says, I only say Hall and Lebowitz have different opinion on what influences a person's body language. Okay, that's the main idea. Then we go to the supporting idea. In the supporting idea part here, I write, for Hall, body language is strongly influenced by culture. And then after stating that, I give a quote. In his article, Space Peaks, Hall says that blah, blah, blah. Meanwhile, for Lebowitz, this is the second supporting idea from point B. For Lebowitz, this is not the case. And then to support that, I give a summary of what Lebowitz says. And then the blue part here is the difference. Okay, I am commenting on the difference between Hall and Lebowitz in one sentence. And finally, I give a concluding remark here. Okay, I guess that's all from me. Please read your friend's work and see whether they have this. If they don't have this, then suggest something. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. Bye.